Moving on to 25th question. Triangle ABC is right angled at B and D is midpoint of BC. Prove that AC square is equal to 4AD square minus 3AB square. Now moving on to the solution. Here it is given that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. That means in triangle ABC it is right angle at B, implies that angle B is equal to 90 degrees and D is midpoint of BC, implies that BD is equal to DC is equal to half BC. So let us construct a triangle, that is ABC as shown, in which angle B is 90 degrees, and let us consider point D the midpoint of BC and join AD here. He asked us to prove that AC square is equal to 4AD square minus 3AB square. Now initially let us consider in triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So let us apply the Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem we can say that square of hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to sum of squares of its sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Let this be as equation number 1. Now in triangle ABD angle B is equal to 90 degrees again. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. Then we get AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square, which implies that AD square is equal to, from equation 1 we get AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Therefore let us substitute that value here. Then we get AC square minus BC square plus BD square, which implies that AD square is equal to AC square minus BC square plus BD square is nothing but half BC whole square, that is 1 by 4 BC square. So we got AD square is equal to AC square minus BC square plus 1/4 BC square, which implies AD square is equal to, let us take LCM here, 4. Then we get 4 times AC square minus 4 times BC square plus BC square. Let us send this 4 that side, then it will be 4 AD square is equal to 4 AC square minus 4 BC square plus BC square, which implies that 4 times AD square is equal to 4 times AC square minus 3 times BC square. That implies 4 times AC square is equal to 4 times AD square plus 3 times BC square. But we need it in the terms of AD. Therefore, from equation 1 we get BC is equal to AC square minus AB square, that is 4 times AD square plus 3 times BC square is nothing but AC square minus AB square, which implies that 4 AC square is equal to 4 AD square plus 3 times AC square minus 3 times AB square, which implies, let us transpose this 3 AC square to left hand side, then we get 4 AC square minus 3 AC square is equal to 4 AD square minus 3 AB square, which implies that 4ac square minus 3ac square is nothing but ac square, that is equal to 4ad square minus 3ab square. This is what the required proof for us.